shelter.
Is that you riding that horse?
Yes, I did it a long time ago.
I thought that was you. It looks like you. See that smile, Daddy?
Yeah.
I
had
do that
a-
smile.
I got a t-shirt somewhere that I actually bought Jacob when he was probably
2 years old,
2
I think.
years old in Woodward, Oklahoma.
Yep.
I was out there in Woodward. I bought him a t-shirt, and then Tyler wore it, Jonah wore it, and I think he
Yeah.
wore it a few
Yeah,
times.
we've still got it. It's too little for him now, but yeah, it's a red t-shirt.
That thing's 16, no,
Sissy, threw my way.
17.
17
years
years old, yeah.
old. We used to run cattle out to Buffalo, Oklahoma every week.
Woo, we need a bucket. We got a lot of okra over here. These are some of them getting too big.
Yeah. Look at that okra. You can still cook it though. There's another one. I'm gonna get this one before the worms do, everybody. We're having some worm problems. Y'all tell us what we need to do about these worms. I'm telling you something, these worms is really being destructive here. That's a pretty good looking tomato.
Harvest time.
Harvest time. Woo, boy, we're making a big harvest here. Okra can be tricky. When you look at an okra plant, you may think you got it all. but
Oh, you missed them.
You
Yeah.
can miss them. Can you fix some fried green tomatoes tomorrow?
Yeah. We got a banana pepper right here. My banana pepper's what took whatever came in here, a deer or something, and trampled it, but it's still giving us a few peppers here and there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. We have a cucumber. Look at that. It's our first cucumber. There's a lot of them.
Tell the neighbors. We're out here in the garden, everybody. We're doing some serious harvesting. We don't got the right kind of situation going on with these tomatoes.
Jonah found the first bean. This is the best day ever. I bet there's a lot of beans. We just can't see them. Beans are the same way as okra. You can miss them.
We will fix a green bean casserole with you.
Number 2.
Mama, this is gonna be a big green bean casserole.
Yes. 3.
Now, y'all, we could wait, but we're not.
We love to eat
Go
these
ahead and
peppers.
Get them right now.
Yeah, now these little chili peppers are the hottest ones we've ever
They are.
grown.
Yeah, they're hot. I just come in this garden and I get down here and I just look at all this stuff.
Oh.
You mean to tell me I've got 4 beans out of this garden? I've looked to my left. I've got a few cucumbers. I've got all kinds of butternut squash growing right here. I look to the right and I got a whole bunch of tomatoes that ain't doing good.
Yeah, the tomatoes, those worms are getting them. Y'all for real tell
Them
us
worms
what
is
we...
really destroying our
I've looked up
tomatoes.
a few things, but if anybody has more tips out there.
The main tip that worked, they said you have to have a person on duty at all times out here.
You're
just
removing them.
removing
Right.
worms. Go ahead and pick them all, Jonah. Just put them in here, baby. We're gonna make a big harvest here.
We got a few yellow squash trying to happen right there. We'll see what happens. But this butternut squash is where it's at this year. And they're all up under here.
I am very happy about this because I do like the butternut squash soup that we make.
Yeah,
So
there's more over here. There were one, there it is. These two were twins. They started at the same time right beside each other, so we said they were twins. A bunch of them. Here's one over there.
got me a sample of strawberry. Folks, they're not gonna look like the ones at the grocery store.
No,
Really good.
is it?
I'm not kidding you, looks can be deceiving.
Sissy, you grow good strawberries.
That is good, baby.
Jonah found
Oh
some
man, you got some blackberry cobbler right there, boy.
All right, y'all, it's a little while later now. Titus and Tyler are leaving very early in the morning. I think they're leaving here at like 4:30 or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some banana oat muffins. And we're gonna go ahead and bake them and everything tonight. That way in the morning I can just make them some eggs, and we got some country ham to go with them. So the first thing I'm doing is just mashing up 1 banana. This just makes 6 muffins because like I said, I'm gonna make the eggs and country ham to go with the muffins. And the other kids want cinnamon rolls to go with their eggs and ham. So we'll have a little bit of cinnamon roll and banana oat muffin happening. Got the pan ready. We're just going to use these little silicone muffin cups. We need 1 egg in here. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. And I can't remember if I've already said, but I got the oven, it's preheating to 350. We need a 1/4 cup of honey. That's about what's left in this little jar of Tupelo honey. So just gonna let this pour in here. We need a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt.
You need a cup?
Yeah, 1 cup of milk. We're almost done, y'all. One more ingredient. 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned oats. And we're also gonna put some fruit in the middle of these, so of course the fruit. We've got some blackberries and raspberries. Here's 1 cup and 1/2 cup. So we're gonna put some into each muffin cup, leaving room so we can put some fruit. And it is a watery mixture.
Probably needs to be though when you bake
Yeah,
it,
with the,
you know?
because the oats are gonna soak up that stuff, you know. And you know what? My muffin liners, I think, are small or something, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have enough to do more than 6 of these. So we're gonna put blackberries. They're gonna, and we put some more stuff on top, you know, and then we put a little bit more fruit on the very top. Yeah, this is gonna be in the middle.
This is gonna be in the middle. Okay.
Raspberries.
You're gonna have a berry blast here, everybody.
Right. I think what I'll do is just put 1 piece of whatever the fruit is on the top. Or you know what? It doesn't have to be the exact same. We'll just...
Folks, this is what happens. We forgot what fruit was in each one.
I can definitely get at least a couple more, so let me grab a couple more liners here real quick. And the good thing about these is I know some of the kids want cinnamon rolls, so if these don't all get eaten, you can freeze them. Yeah, those are gonna be pretty. Is the oven ready? Yep.
Oh my goodness, we got some beautiful cupcakes right here. Not cupcakes, I'm sorry.
Banana oat muffins.
Banana oat muffins.
And they just have to bake for 30 minutes, and the oven's ready for us, so.
These are gonna be full of berries.
I only have a few more blackberries that we'll go ahead and use in there. All right.
They're gonna be nice.
Going in the oven.
We almost forgot about our muffins.
Yeah.
Fella made them muffins last night. It's early. We get up, she makes the eggs, and I'm over here cutting my fruit up, and it dawns on her that we got some delicious muffins. They smell delicious. That's really good right there, baby. You can definitely taste the banana in it. It's similar to a very moist banana bread. It's just really good, and they smell delicious.